Where are we going?
Gas Atlanta.
Gas Atlanta. Oh, I gotta grab my keys real quick. Jeez. Them squeaky brakes. You're moving. I don't think I'll be able to keep up with you. Huh? Oh. Quick gas stop. I usually don't stop here. I usually go to Costco for gas. So it's a little costly here. CLK is looking really clean. I just washed this thing. I had to do an underneath wash just because of all the oil that was underneath on the exhaust. You guys already saw that video. If you haven't, go check out that video. Back on the stock wheels. I don't know if this video is coming out before me talking about the stock wheels, but I'll keep you guys posted. So far, I haven't done a vlog in a while or going to a car meet. This video is pretty much us going to a car meet. It's a pretty cool car meet. This meet is held by Gas Atlanta. If you guys are in the Atlanta area, there's gonna be a lot of European cars, and hopefully we can get some good content. We're gonna hop on the road real quick and get these bad boys going. They look so good.
I need to grab some water from inside.
Okay. Man, the 32 looks so good with the stock wheels. Also, finally got the tag on it. Yeah. What are you getting? Just water? I brought my, electrolytes to hydrate. It's hot outside today, guys. But what was I saying? Yeah, stock wheels. Woo. Honestly, I really love the stock wheels. Paired with the front lip, the side skirts, and it being lowered, I think it just makes the stocks look so much better in general versus the other wheels I had. I don't know if you guys have noticed yet, but I'm just not gonna say anything yet. Maybe some of you have noticed. Where we're posted. Hopefully we get more Benzes parked right next to us. That was super fun. I haven't had a cruise like in a while. Man, it's so much fun just driving these cars, especially with a large crew. Let's go ahead and check out and see what's around here. This Benz right here. I've seen this Benz a couple of times. I'm not sure which engine it has, but this is the owner. He's local. Wow, interior's spot on, clean. Oh, he still's got the phone in there. Oh, it's debadged? Guys, comment down below, which Mercedes is this? I know this is an SL, but it's got AMG tips. Honestly, I'm not even sure if this is an AMG. Okay, so this is definitely not an AMG. I'm not sure what it is. Maybe it's a 500. This is a nice convertible. E36, clean. Ooh, dude, those wheels are clean. What? I gotta say, these were probably like redone because I've never seen a stock wheel this clean before. Oh wow, interior is also really mint. Holy smokes. I doubt this is even dailied, but this is really nice in here. Honestly, what do you think?
Oh yeah, it's nice.
Yeah. Oh yeah, those wheels, yeah, they are nice. CLS55 here. Honestly, I doubt this is Kurt's.
What?
I think Kurt was trying to get a CLS55. These have really nice headlights. I'm pretty sure these are brand new. Yeah, they look new for sure.
Green.
Actually, can I even tell? Yeah, the camera's picking it up. Ish. It looks darker on camera, but it's brighter in person. Bi-turbo. Do you look at those brake calipers? And this is definitely original paint for sure. I like this. Check it out. What do you think about the fitment? Pokes out too much?
Yeah, it pokes too much for me. But I like the deep dish wheels.
Dude, look at that. Yeah, those wheels. Oh man, dude, how? How is this still holding air? I like the lip though, and the side skirts. Paint in good condition actually. Wow, interior is really clean. Yeah, you don't see the M3s a lot, but these sound really good. If I had an M3, dude, this thing straight piped all the way. No cats. You guys already know. Like the downshifts would be insane. Oh, that's clean. If anything, like I would change the tire spec. It stretches, but that's what the owner is going for. This is nice. Clean culture, nice. CLK430. Dude, two old schools right here. 280 SL, and then you got this one here, the 4-door. This is a 280 SE. You guys can check it out. Oh, it's right there on the trunk. Nice. This M2. I've seen this in person. They are, wow, that is clean. I've seen some people change out the grills. I don't know if this is the stock one, but when they change it out, it looks even 10 times better. This M2 is always clean. What do you guys think about the M2? Do you guys prefer the newer version or the older M2 or previous body style? I shouldn't say older. Oh, this has got Valvetronic. Oh, this thing probably sounds really good. That's the owner right there if you guys want to check him out on Instagram. Clean M2 though. Not sure what all has been done to it, but obviously it's got the Valvetronic exhaust. Those tints, totally illegal, right? It does fit the car. CLK430. This thing is actually really clean on the interior.
I like the black.
Mint, wow. I do like the black seats. Dude, you're in the vlog.
What's going on, man?
Dude, it's good to see you.
Always good to see you out, bro.
Man, yeah, you did? Oh yeah. Dude, did you see what I brought?
C55? Me?
No.
No. What'd you talking to me?
Yeah.
Right. What'd you bring?
I guess. I mean, you said C55.
Yeah?
Yeah, so.
I saw the CLK.
Yep.
That was all I saw. What else? I'm lost.
One more guess. Hey. All right, C32. Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, we can always check it out whenever you have time.
Yeah, for sure, man.
All right, so guys, check this out. I don't know if I'll be able to vlog that much, but there's music. I know the owner of this car, Gretchen. Dude, he has the cleanest, I want to say the cleanest 63 in Atlanta. This thing is beautiful. I mean, check out those BBS wheels. Wow, that is clean. I love the fitment also. The blue caliper, dude, the carbon fiber intakes with the lip. I'm sure you guys have seen this in my vlog before, but it's probably been a while. But this thing is clean. Honestly, I think he dailies it, but I don't know if he dailies it anymore because this thing looks way too clean. Unless he cleans it all the time. But that's the engine bay if you guys want to peep it real quick. Yeah, not much to see. Yeah, it's all covered, but I'll show you guys around. Oh, that's his Instagram right here if you guys want to check him out. Gretchen's _ C63. This is the rear. Man, those aggressive diffusers. Yeah, I didn't show you the rear fitment. He's running a 255 3019s on the rear. But these BBS, oh, it actually tells you the specs on it. So it's a 9J by 19H2 ET44. No way. There's no way this ET's a 44. I don't think it was lower. It pokes out a ton. I mean, he's running like a, I want to say that's like a 3mm spacer. Just to bring it out just a little bit. But that fitment is pretty good. I just noticed he's got the rear bumper fin right here. That ties it perfectly. I think that will look great on the C32. I don't know. What do you think? Maybe? Maybe? I don't know.
I feel like his looks good because he also has the diffuser in the back.
Yeah, in the back. Yeah, because that ties it in. Yeah. I'll show you guys inside, but I don't want to open this car. But yeah, this thing is mint, guys. Holy smokes.
There's another short one.
Oh, guys. Oh, yeah. I was so confused. That intake is crazy. Look at the piping. So it goes from there and down somewhere, and this one goes somewhere else. I do like the accents, though. This is kind of like a maroon. It kind of looks red on camera, but it is maroon. These M4s actually look really good. Oh, wow. That's a nice... what do you call it? Concave. Oh, it's a manual. Oh, I don't know if these are common, the manuals. Oh yeah, they are, I think. Maybe. I'm not too good with my BMW, guys. Oh man, dude. He's got the save the manual sticker on there. Dude, this is nice. I like that fitment on the wheels. That's sick. Green Goblin Mercedes. Green Goblin. Got the V8 bi-turbo SL. Oh, this thing is sweet. This is a nice wrap, by the way. Stock wheels. Fitment is not bad. I don't know if this is lowered, but SL63 AMG. Oh, this is clean. And you got a SL55 here. Wow. Okay. This is probably the newest AMG because they've started making the 55s again. I'm not sure what year this is. This is probably a 2024. I'm not too sure, guys. Don't roast me in the... Oh yeah, this is definitely new. This is definitely 2024. Dude, look at the seats. Look at how like down they go. Kind of like a race seat, but like it kind of... I feel like you'd be so comfortable in there. Yo. Alright, you guys, I gotta show you the engine bay since it's a 2024. But this is clean. SL55. Dude, look at that. Look at the intakes. Like straight right from the front. Oh, this is the builder, by the way. Those are some nice accents in there.
Is the hood vented?
Is it really? It's not vented? Dude, if the hood is vented, that would be so interesting.
The way that this looks, it looks like there would be a vent like right here.
Yeah, you're right. Honestly, I'm not even sure where the air would be coming from to get in here. If it seals back there. Probably from the grill. Oh yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. That's clean. Wow, this thing is beautiful. SL55. Yeah, this is... I'm not sure what year it is. I can't get over these seats, guys. Camera doesn't do any justice to it. I doubt anyone can sit back there, right? It's a 22?
It's a 22. So this was one of the last 22s produced.
Okay.
It came over on the boat from Germany with 23s. Mercedes used it as a display car.
Gotcha.
So it was like at a couple golf tournaments and stuff so people could see it. So I found it as a CPO car with 400 miles on it.
What, only 400? So I was totally wrong. I thought the 55s started coming back out again in this year, but apparently it's been out.
Well, because of so VINs, your VIN number,
Yeah.
your production year are
Yeah.
highly, highly regulated. So these came out in 22, but they really didn't roll out until the 23s VINs were being built. So there's very few 22s, but it's identical to 23s and the 24s.
The
Gotcha.
seats look super comfortable.
Yeah. The seats.
Shockingly, so these are the racing seats.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's what I was thinking too. Yeah, the racing. Yeah.
Shockingly, they're for me, they're more comfortable than the luxury
Than the luxury
Yeah,
seats?
they really,
Interesting.
You can actually adjust the side bolts.
Do you daily this?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, I've got 2,500
That's
miles
right.
on it. I've had it 3 months.
Oh yeah, that's cool. That is awesome.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, because I saw a video on the SL55,
Yeah.
and I was like, no, this has got to be like one of the new ones.
Yeah.
It's nice. What was the horsepower on this again?
It's 469.
469. Okay.
But the only, with the performance package, if you look at the yellow calipers.
Oh yeah, the yellow calipers, guys.
The only difference between then this and the 63, once you get the performance package, is the tune of the engine.
Gotcha.
So
That is pretty unique on the yellow calipers.
So it's got, it's got the, like I can lift the front end 1.5 inches when I'm pulling into places.
Yeah.
It's got the dynamic motor mounts and transmission mounts.
It's got dynamic motor mounts and what? So this wing, I was gonna ask, does this just stay up, or did you actually? Okay, that's pretty cool.
It's in a show.
Wow.
So then I was kind of worried about the. Kind of worried about how was I gonna enjoy sort of the F1 style steering wheel and everything.
Oh yeah, because is that the F1 steering wheel?
Kind of.
Kind of,
So
okay.
everything's here. So like this button here.
Yeah.
Um,
I think that changes the modes, right?
well, no, this is the modes.
Okay, gotcha.
This button you can set. There's an upper and a lower screen. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, that's cool.
And so the screen's on the buttons. And so like this one I have for the performance exhaust.
Okay.
And so, but you can set them to other things.
Other than the exhaust and for the
Yeah.
lowering and lifting up the cars.
Oh yeah, suspension.
Yeah.
So you can set them for different things. Leaving this one with the front end, then when you're pulling into a parking lot, if you're nervous at all,
Yeah.
just tap the button, car comes up 1.5 inches. So, and then like this is the performance mode. So comfort, sport plus, and then
race.
because it's it's got the performance package, race mode, and then race mode unlocks a bunch of other stuff in terms of it's got like Road Atlanta, the racetrack is in here.
Oh, really?
And so you can
that's
log
cool.
lap times. You can, if you go in race mode, then on the center console, you also can get a lot of engine performance diagnostics.
Oh,
You see how many G-forces you're subjecting the car to.
Yeah.
0 to 60 times. A whole bunch of other stuff.
That is sweet. Well, you have a sweet car.
Thank you. It's been an
man.
absolute blast.
So you've had it. How long have you had it now?
I got it in March.
In March this year?
Yeah.
Oh wow, yeah. So that's sweet.